morning. Ooh. Who said there's no grass in the desert? That's grass. I'm really fascinated by the grass this time. A bone. Do you think it's a human? Who's to say? So many tracks. Wow.
Thank you.
When life gives you lemons.
Vic gives you lemons. Make lemonade. In with it.
Where's Tuna?
She ran.
Tuna? Tuna's been hunting lizards. She just chases them. So we call it the lizard bush because she just sits there and stares at it and waits for them. They'll run from bush to bush and she'll just chase them. She never gets them though because they're way faster. You're still pretty fast though, Tuna, but not fast enough to catch a lizard. Dim, remember that time I caught a lizard by the tail and then its tail ripped off?
This juicer sucks because it just, all of the pulp just kind of gets stuck in it.
You know what? I'm gonna take this opportunity to kick off the surprise Q&A. What award in the 5th grade did I win at the end of the year?
It wasn't the participation award.
No, but that would be likely. You don't know?
Oh, most likely to improve?
In the 5th grade in Mr. Spidle's class, I won the very, very, very good writer. Because I was a good writer, but I repeated words a lot. Look at me. Bean, look at me. He looks so cute. Oh. Chasing
Let's use
lizards.
this stick. Should I use a stick?
Sure.
Yeah, this juicer sucks. I don't know what I don't know if the stick was a good idea.
What are you barking at over there? There's coffee grounds in it.
Yeah, we like coffee. 2. I think I'm gonna do 3.
Okay.
And then let's add some water.
Just a little water. Cheers. Ooh,
It's pretty good.
it is kind of tart, but I like it.
Yum. Oh,
You don't like
it
it?
needs some. It could.
Oh, you're gonna make yourself a second mug.
I'm gonna see if we can enhance it.
I really like
because
this
I don't
one.
want to ruin it. Good soup.
He just knocked over the light.
You're just like in the shade with your sunglasses and rubber
What's wrong
boots.
with that?
There's nothing wrong with that. That is a fire outfit.
Cute.
Like, hey Arden,
Yes.
what was my job at Beneficial Insectary?
I do not know the title, but I know that you glued screens onto containers, and you sometimes work with a machine called SpongeBob. Is that correct?
I'll give it to you.
Glued screens on containers to transport bugs.
Yes, pretty
Because
much.
it was like instead of using
I pretty much
pesticide.
made bug houses.
Yeah.
Houses to transport bugs in.
So is your title Bug House Maker?
They actually, everybody in the business called it arts and crafts.
Wow. Why did he run like that? There it is. No, you can see it.
You can see it because I can't see it.
Are you stretching or? Oh. Does that actually hurt?
That actually is stretching.
Hello. Oh, Tuna. Tuna. Hi. Hi, Tuna. Tuna's perfect. Bean's a brat. We're gonna sell him. Here, wait, let's get an artsy shot of you.
Because it was full body hit, yes, it was done.
Oh.
Well, I guess not.
You were slightly making fun of me because I always film like artsy shots of me grinding the beans, and I was like, ooh, let me get some artsy shots of you, David.
It was like, look off into the sunrise. Art says, come outside. I was like, why? I was like, I guess I didn't realize they were filming nothing. For a minute and 44 seconds. Just eat all the potatoes. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. Wait. Huevos. I think huevos are eggs. I don't know. I failed Spanish in college. I actually dropped out of it. I thought it'd be so cool to take a Spanish class, and it's like Spanish for beginners. And boy, was that not a beginner class. Arden.
No, this is a terrible angle.
Arden. Who's my favorite dog?
Tuna.
Ding 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 ding.
That's why.
That's exactly why.
David,
Yeah.
what did I study in college and what class did I fail 2 times in a row?
Nursing, and you failed anatomy twice.
Yes. That's why I'm not a nurse, everybody. When did you come outside?
Do you think I can hit the camera from here?
I don't want you to. Demon.
Didn't even fall. That was really surprising. What's the only reason I went to college?
Play ball. What's the reason you left?
Ball wasn't paying me enough.
Oh,
Ready?
Bean.
Tuna.
He's an eggshell.
Tuna. Okay.
Okay.
Toy. Oh, your toy. Get your toy.
And then there's Bean. Have I ever broken a bone, and if so, how?
You broke your hand.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so you broke your hand playing
Yes.
volleyball.
I broke my hand. It was like before the game started, where you practice your serves. The ball came towards me like somebody served across, and I tried to catch it, and it just jammed my finger.
Hey, Arden.
Yes.
Have I ever broken a bone, and how?
You broke your ankle in Temecula, California 4 years ago, riding your skateboard, and I said, come on, let's go, and you said, no, one more trick. It was just an ollie, and you snapped your ankle.
Cried like a baby.
You
Actually,
were
I didn't
white.
cry, but like I went white and
I think you were tearing up.
oh yeah, but like I almost passed out.
Yeah.
Like spiral fracture to the tibia.
What instrument do I know how to play very well?
You played the flute. Hey Arden,
Yeah.
what's my favorite food?
Ooh, biscuits and gravy?
That's my favorite breakfast item.
Potatoes?
What is wrong with you?
I don't know.
You know what my favorite food is. When I tell you, you're gonna be so
Oh my gosh,
upset.
what is it?
Hamburgers.
Oh!
You having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Having a good
Time. You know how people do that? I think it's... Oh my gosh, it's still going. It's way taller than you.